everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this really fun Bluey Goes to Disney World. Great, let's get started. First we're going to start by drawing Bluey's nose. So her nose is here in the middle of the page. Looks like a triangle. We're going to form her snout, her front part of her nose, and then we'll do her eyes afterwards, okay? Where this line is going to come back around underneath her mouth. So it's going to start here, and we're going to bring it down. And it's going to go up a little bit into the corner of her mouth. Okay, and then it's going to go back down, and it's going to stop right there, okay? And then her little teeth are here, so they're just in and out jaggedy a little bit. Like that. Well done. And then this little line here is just the bottom part of her teeth. Great job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to draw her eyes. So there's just a little line here that goes to her first eye over. And then this eye is a big oval. And connect that line, okay? And then inside here is a small oval. This is the black part of her pupil. You can color that in now, or if you want to color it in later. Okay, and then let's do the other eye, which is over here, and it's just behind her nose. Okay, so it starts here, up, and back around. Well done. And then the little pupil is behind here. Okay, well done, everyone. We're going to do her Mickey ears next, okay? And then we'll kind of form her body behind it. So we're going to draw the bow first, which is right in the front. We do the middle part of the bow. So it goes like this. Like that. And it's going to be a pretty big bow. So you do this part, you bring it up, back around. Okay, and then this part right here comes up and wraps back in like that. And then do a few lines just to add a little bit of texture to it. Okay, and then let's do the other side, okay? And then let's do this part right here. Well done. And then two more lines right here and right here. Great job, everybody. Okay, now we're going to do her ears, okay? It's going to start about here in the bow, and it's going to go down to here, okay? Just like that. And then you're going to stop about there, and then bring this line and bring it down. That line, we can bring it around afterwards, okay? Now the same thing on this side, okay? So her ear is going to go, Mickey ear is going to go up. Back it down like that. And then we're going to bring this around and this part down. That's like the headband part, all right? Now her little ears are sticking up just a little bit behind. So they're not sticking up much, just the middle of the bow here. Her normal ears, they're her blue ears. And then this side is the same, okay? Just like that. All right, now let's form her body. So we're going to go down to about here if you want to add a little dot there. And we're going to start here. And we're going to bring it all the way down. You ready? If you need to stop, you can. Okay. And then the same thing on this side. If you need to turn the paper, you can. All right, you can turn the paper a little bit. All right, let's continue on. So we're going to draw a few lines here just to add to her face. We'll color those in after to make it bluey. There's one line there, and there's one line here. All right. And then let's do her hands. So she just has her two normal hands, how everyone knows her. Up and back in like that. And then this one is behind this one. All right. And then this last little one is just tucked in like that. And then follow that line from here up to there. Well done. Now there is a little bit of a line here just to form the inside of her hand. All right, now let's go over here and do this one as well, okay? So we're gonna start and we're gonna bring it up over and up over like that. And this one is wrapping in and underneath. Underneath, and then the last one here. Well done. And then just do that little line there, it's inside of her hand. All right, let's keep going. So I wanna do her legs next, and then we'll put her little fanny pack on afterwards, okay? So her legs are just simple. Everyone knows Bluey's legs. They go down, up, and like that. Well done. And then there's 2 simple lines. 1, 2. And let's do her other leg. And back up. Well done. And then just 2 little lines to make her paws. Okay. Now what are we missing? We need her tail last, okay? So her tail comes out and in like that. And then this part up like that. And then the last one goes in like that. Well done. And if you want to just put a little line there for coloring in later. All right. All right, lastly, let's put her little Disney bag on, okay? So there's gonna be kind of an oval in the middle. It's not a full oval, but if you follow this shape around, and then from here, you're gonna wrap back around to make the bag. And there's gonna be a little tiny zipper hanging out there. Okay, you can color that black if you want. And there's a little label here. Well done, everyone. And lastly, let's just add the little straps on. So they go from here, over, over. Well done. And the same thing on this side. Now, I'm going to color that in kind of like red spots just for Minnie Mouse, but you can do whatever you want. All right, there's another spot. I'm gonna do one of Bluey's spots behind here. She has another hidden spot behind here. And then the last one's here. All right, that's our Bluey drawn. Let's color her in. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent and drawing this really fun Bluey. See you next time. Bye.